This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Tellaro 20K is a Class B RV. It is located in Hot Springs, Arkansas, 71901 and is offered for sale by Quality Wheelz. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 21 feet 1 inch in length and features a gray interior, sleeps 2, TV, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, external shower, spare tire kit, LP detector, air conditioning, refrigerator, oven, and 27 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front entertainment, front living area, rear bath. This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Tellaro 20K is built on a ProMaster 3500 chassis and is powered by a Pentastar VVT engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.